This eggless banana cake recipe will wow your customers every single time you make it for them. Hi, my name is Esther Ozioma Sanami and you are welcome to Good News Catering and Events. So our ingredients. We're making use of 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3 ripe bananas, half cup of evaporated milk, and half cup of vegetable oil. So go ahead and peel and mash your banana. Your banana must be very ripe. This is overripe. To the mashed bananas, add your sugar and mix it very well until it becomes very light. The texture will soften, and this is what you are going for. Into that, add your vanilla flavor and your vegetable oil and mix it until everything is combined. Set that aside. Into your sieved flour. Yes, I already sieved this flour the first time. Then go ahead, add in your salt and your baking soda and sieve them together. Then combine these ingredients together. Make sure they are all mixed very well. Now you'll be adding the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and carefully mix. You don't want to over mix your banana cake so that it doesn't come out tough. So just go ahead and gently combine the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. At a point, I began to have difficulty using the whisk, so I took off the whisk and used a wooden spatula. So you can decide to go ahead and use a wooden spatula right from the beginning. Add the evaporated milk at this point. I'll just gently mix it until my batter is smooth and runny. Check the description box for every details and recipes used in this video, and don't forget to also check out some other videos on this channel. And if you are yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button now. Thank you. Okay guys, so this is the texture of my banana cake batter, and I'll be transferring this into the small foil plates. And gently tap so that it can be leveled. I even went ahead to use a knife to level the batter in the foil plate. If you're new to my channel, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much. Thank you for coming back. So guys, I just went a little further to garnish my banana cake batter with bananas. You can add fruits, you can garnish with any other thing that you want, but this is just perfect for this recipe. And I'll be baking this for 1 hour or until a skewer comes out very clean. So guys, see our banana cake. This is super yummy and beautiful. If you like this video, please just go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button, turn on the notification bell to get updates when I drop new videos. So I just went ahead to package it because this is going out for sale. Until I come your way again, have fun and enjoy.